No matter how sophisticated modern rail travel can be, the trains still run on rails. So there continue to be jobs for rail track layers, just as there were in the early days when the railroads opened up America's West. They go wherever on the system they're needed, from the rail yard to an underground tunnel down the line. The rails may also be in plant yards, quarries, sand and gravel pits, and mines. This is an entry-level job in the railroad system with no previous work-related skill required. Usually, a high school diploma, physical strength, coordination, and a good sense of responsibility will get you started. Workers with low seniority can expect night and weekend shifts. Sometimes you're exposed to rain, wind, and snow, and overtime might be required, especially during emergencies. After all, you're a part of the nation's rail system. The safety of passengers and the transport of goods rely on your careful, constant work.